In this video tutorial, we'll cover editing and converting PDFs in the Macintosh OS. You can try the software for yourself for free at macjack.info.
So we have a variety of features in our menu bar here, and if we want, we can click on Customize, and here we have several more options that we can choose from. We can crop images, we can encrypt the document, merge the document. We can go ahead and split the document if we want to do that, and rotate it. So there's a variety of other different options available if we click on Customize. Another really cool thing that we can do on the Wondershare PDF editor is we can add security to it. So if we want to create a password for our PDF document, all we have to do is go up to File, Security, and click on Security Settings. Now you can see here I can go ahead and click on this option here to create a password to open the file. Now all I do is I type in a password for my document. Now I can also select to create a password so that anyone that wants to edit security settings or access management also has to type in a password. In this case, I'm just going to set it so that there's a password required to open the file. So once we've made our changes, we can go ahead and click on OK. And so now this document is set with a password. So I can go ahead and click on Save. Now if I go back to where my PDF is saved, if I go ahead and try and open this document up now, go ahead and open it up in Wondershare PDF Editor, you'll notice that it now requires a password to open the file. So if I type in my password here and click on Return, the document now opens. So it's now password protected. If you decide that you don't want a password on this PDF document, I can go up to File, Security, and Remove Security. And since there's only a password required to open the document, then I'll go ahead and remove the password from the document.
Converting HTML web pages to PDF.
Now the final thing that I'd like to show you with the Wondershare PDF editor is how you can actually create a PDF from a web page. So say I have this web page open here and I'd like to create a PDF from it. All I have to do is right click on the web page that I want to convert to a PDF, click on Save As, and we're going to go ahead and save that HTML document somewhere onto our computer. So I'll go ahead and save this onto my desktop. And here we can see that the document is saved as an HTML file on my desktop. If I go ahead and open back up my Wondershare PDF editor, I can go ahead and go up to File, Create, PDF from File, and if I go to my desktop and select the HTML document that I just saved, I can go ahead and click on Open. And now Wondershare PDF Editor actually creates a PDF from that web page. You'll notice that the PDF document created from the web page is split into 4 different pages. So it actually separates it into pages for you as well. And those are just some of the many great features of the Wondershare PDF Editor for Mac. Download the free trial of our Wondershare PDF Editor for Mac. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial, and have a great day. Another really cool thing that you can do in the PDF editor is you can convert this to a Word document. So all we have to do is go up to our Convert button here, and we can go ahead and save our changes if we want. Alright, and so what we can do is we can go ahead and give it a file name, and you can see it's going to convert it into a Microsoft Word document. So we go ahead and select the location where we'd like to save the file, and click on Convert. You can see that the document has now been successfully converted. I can click on OK. And now it's gone ahead and opened up that document in my Word program. So now that same PDF that I was editing in Wondershare, I can go ahead and edit and modify in Microsoft Word. Now at any time, if we'd like to revert back to the original state of the document, if we made changes that we don't like, we can go up to File, click on Revert, select Revert, and now it clears any of the changes you've made that you don't like, or any of the changes that have been made since the last time that you saved the document.